For us to add a user, all we need to do is to click on new user, and the new user is going to take us to my Zoho One page, and that is because I'm using a Zoho One subscription, and I need to be able to add in a user from Zoho One. So that means all of the users I want to use are going to be added to this Zoho One dashboard, because I have multiple apps and I should be able to get the different users I want in those multiple apps from the Zoho One dashboard. So that means any user I want to add to Zoho Booking should be added to my Zoho One dashboard first. So you can choose whatever user you want to add if you have multiple user, or you can create new user if you want. I do not have the license to create a new user, but it is just going to allow you to create a new user by submitting their name and also submitting the email. And Zoho Begin is going to send a notification to the person, and the person will be able to create an account in Zoho Begin, and they are going to be added to your organization account. So when they come in into Zoho Begin, they will be added in as a user.
You've made it up until the end of this video. I want to say a very big thank you to you, because this particular feature of Zoho Begin might have been very confusing for you to set up, and I hope by now you should be able to set up this particular feature correctly and properly. We offered paid consultation to help you set up your Zoho Begin account currently. If you currently are new to Zoho Begin and you don't know how to use Zoho Begin for your business, and also if you do not understand how to use Zoho Begin for your business processes, in the link below you can book your paid consultation, and we are also going to help you figure out everything you need help with. If you found this video helpful, please do not forget to like this video and also share to everyone you think might need this video. Also subscribe to this channel, because that is going to go a long way in helping us. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.